This video shows how to install the Maxi Cosi carrier in the Babboe city. Use the existing holes in the box. The Maxi Cosi holder consists of 4 parts: the base for the bottom of the box, the carrier and 2 rubber straps with clips. You also need a Phillips screwdriver, a ring spanner or open-ended spanner size 10 and the 2 supplied extended bolts. Installing the base in the box. Please note, mount the base onto the bolts closest to the handlebar. Using the front holes will limit the functionality of the carrier. Now unscrew the 2 bolts using spanner 10 and the screwdriver. Make sure that the latching mechanism is facing up and that the square is placed in the middle of the box. Secure the base with the long bolts provided. Securely tighten the nuts and bolts. Installing the carrier. Install the carrier by sliding it under the base starting from the handlebar side. Now turn the latching mechanism to secure the carrier. Installing the Maxi Cosi seat. Attach both rubber straps to the upper side of the carrier. Make sure that the thicker part of the clip is facing inward. Pass the rubber straps on the inside of the carry handle and attach the other clip to the bottom horizontal rod. The thicker part of the clip should be facing inward here as well. Installing is done and your baby can be placed in the Maxi Cosi seat. The baby should always be facing you. Great! Well done!